Peace, family. This divine understanding, born of law, 5% nation of gods and earth. I was already reading crazy books. When I met iGod, I had already read Message to the Black Man, Our Savior Has Arrived, Fall of America, How to Eat to Live, Book 1 and Book 2, and Flag of Islam. I had already read that. But what happened was, I'm gonna give you a little history. I had some family in Seattle, Washington. And I was out there and I met the NOI out there before I knew about 120. Understanding sent me, when I came back, he's the one that told me, find the peace guards. And he said, find the peace guards, Divine. As soon as you get home, find the peace guards. But he wasn't calling me, he was calling by my government then, but long story short, that was my first introduction to Elijah then. But I also, when I had family in Florida, when I was in Florida, I met this lady that was in the Navy. She used to talk about Elijah Muhammad and the lessons. But I was so young, I really didn't know what she was talking about. I was just listening to her because she was old and I was being respectful. I really didn't know what she was talking about. I didn't catch what she was talking about until I got 120. But the reason why I brought up the NOI was because what took place was the brothers I was introduced to out there, I would come to their meetings and buy their bean pies and their newspapers, and I bought those 5 books from them. And they would have congregation meetings, and they would, after the meeting was over, then they would stay and have another meeting, but I couldn't stay. Now, Abdullah and them was like, we were friends. So when I got back to New York, I was and met the guards and got 120, and then I seen that it was the connection. And I said, oh, that's what they was doing. They was having secret meetings studying supreme wisdom, which I'm glad they didn't put me on, because then I would have been that instead of this, right? But I was saying to myself, that was kind of like 10%-ish. That I'm your friend, I'm your brother, you know I'm right and exact. I didn't eat pork before I knew y'all. Matter of fact, my dietary law was better than theirs. I knew not to eat the cockatrice, the chicken. I knew about free range. I knew about grass-fed cows and all that. And I knew you're supposed to not let the European kill your food and then go to the grocery store. I already knew that. I was exposed to that from my father. So me speaking to them, they had to already know I was at that level. Why wouldn't you put me down? Why did you 10% me? So what happened was, we was at Madison Square Garden when Farrakhan came. Remember when Farrakhan came back in the 80s to Madison Square Garden? He had them 200 seats for the guards.
Oh, wow.
I ran into some of them ministers that I knew back then. They was there, and I went in. You know, as soon as I saw them, I started dropping. It's not like I was dissing them. I was just letting them see, I know 120 now, and y'all didn't put me on. Right, so now they was looking all shook because they know they didn't put me on. They know that they kept 120 from me, and that they didn't give it to me.
If Mega did this.